Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will look at how to force Windows to use your dedicated GPU. If you want to fix the problem, then you will need to follow some steps. People provide their opinion and solution regarding this. This is the solution. To change this GPU usage setting, in addition to configuring on Windows, you need to configure directly on the NVIDIA control panel for this. Press the Windows plus R key to open Run. In the Run type Control, then click OK. In the Control panel, click on Power Options. Set the High Performance Power Plan as the default and click OK. Up to this step, I believe you have already done. Now open the NVIDIA Control panel and click on 3D Settings. Then go to Manage 3D Settings. Then locate the Preferred Graphic Processor item and set High Performance NVIDIA Processor. Then click Apply and then restart your computer. So that's it. These are the steps you need to consider if you want to fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.